Did you know that 1 in 4 homes in Thailand will be affected by termites? Premises attacked by termites could cost up to 300,000 baht to repair. It doesn't help when termite damage is not covered by most home insurance policies. Termites are social insects whose colonies are divided into castes. Each caste has specific duties within the colony. Worker termites are responsible for foraging for food, caring for and feeding the young and others within the colony. Soldier termites are then tasked to protect the colony from predators. Alates are sexually mature winged termites that will leave the parent colony to establish their own colony. When they have settled, they will become the king and queen. A queen can even lay up to 30,000 eggs a day. There could be more than one termite colony under a property. Don't risk the safety of your home and family with termites and take action before it's too late. Rentokil uses FDA-approved chemicals which come in 2 variants, repellent and non-repellent. Termiticide with repellent effect will form a chemical barrier under the premises, thereby deterring the termites from entering it. Non-repellent termiticide will create a treated zone. The chemical is not only ingested but also adheres to their bodies. The affected termites then spread the active ingredient to other members of the colony through physical contact. This eventually reduces the population of the colony. During pre-construction, piping can be installed around the ground beam for future protection. The liquid termiticide can then be injected directly into the soil to create a treated zone against subterranean termites. In many cases, early detection is often the best solution. Spotting termites early could save your home and yourself money in the long run.